Hi, Boat Bling. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and I'd like to congratulate you on receiving so many positive ratings on your listing, your hot sauce premium hard water spot remover. I know how competitive this category can be and it's not easy to achieve. So, to see these ratings is a job well done. That said, I'm here to show you some potential opportunities that your team may want to consider. My name is Jin Gonzalez and I'm with my Amazon guy. Now, I'm going to jump in and share with you some advanced strategies that can help grow your sales. And let's start with PPC and SEO. So I pulled up your listing using this keyword tool and it shows that you're indexing for very good amount of keywords. You have almost 7,000 total keywords. Well done. Now let's look at how you're indexing, or let's talk about your sponsored keywords first. So I just sorted the data by sponsored rank. We can also see the keywords, search volume, and organic rank columns here. So you're advertising for protection, interior, hot sauce, boat cleaner. This is a good keyword. You both rank organically in advertising. You rank number one. Well done. Hot sauce boat, bling. I think you're indexing or you're advertising for the right keywords here. And you can see there are some spots here like black magic, liquid, bay liner, boat parts, carpet vehicle, upholstery, restorer. You may consider duplicating some of these keywords or working on your SEO for some of these keywords um, to so you don't need to advertise aggressively on some of them. Now, as for your organic keywords, um, your best ranking here is for hot sauce boat cleaner. Well done with that. And we can see some keywords here which are relevant to your product. And another thing is let's sort it by search volume. The most popular keyword is chemical guys. You rank organically, vinyl, boat accessories. Well, your product is not a boat accessory, but it's relevant, so you could be duplicating this keyword into your listing. Now, let's look at your keywords in the strike zone. You have 481 keywords in ranks 20 to 50, like hot seats, sea foam, boat cleaning supplies. I think as we scroll down, we can see more relevant keywords, and there are they have thousands of impressions, but they currently don't produce much for you. What we can do is to lift your rankings, your organic rankings up to the top 10. We focus on strike zone keywords in my Amazon guys phase 3 of SEO, and you want to improve your organic rankings because they help you get seen on Amazon for free. So imagine if you're in the top 10 rankings here, you wouldn't have to advertise aggressively on some of these keywords, which will have an impact on your ACOS. Now, back to your listing. Let me point out some potential enhancements here, especially in terms of fully optimizing it. I see that your title and your bullets are really short, and that's an SEO opportunity. You can have up to 200 characters with your title, and in this case, you only have 86. You can also have 1,000 characters with your bullets, so yeah, room for improvement. Now, as for your photos, the first photo has white background and zoom option. You have infographics, lifestyle images, and videos. Well done. You have good combination of photos here. And let's look at your A plus content. Oh, you got a brand story. Nice. And the combination of photos and copies. Oh, although you have a missed SEO opportunity, you can add more keywords behind the photos, and your alt text are really short, so you want to update that to help you with your SEO. Here at my Amazon guy, we are a 300-person full service agency and we do everything to help you grow your sales. We grow traffic through PPC and SEO, and we grow conversion rates through design and catalog merchandising. We also give you peace of mind. We handle Amazon so you can focus on your business. I hope you find this valuable and we would love to chat with you further. Book a call with us today, and I'll have an even more qualified Amazon expert discuss your Amazon needs. So I hope to talk to you soon, and thank you so much for your time.